guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to unbox the both Bassheads 228 earphones. So let's get into it.
2,000 years later.
Let's unbox it. So first it has polished metal on the earbuds. So next we have one mic button. So it has the mic as well as the button, but there isn't physical button. The whole thing is used as a button. Next, they say it is tangle-free, but it really isn't tangle-free. It gets tangled a lot. Next, it has a gold plate jack, which is very good, and the angle of that earplug is too good. So let's open this box. Inside, it also gives a carrying case, and inside it, let's open this. Inside we have the earphone itself and some extra tips. First let us see the earphone, and next we can see the earphones. The length of this cable is 1.2 meters. These are straight earbuds, these are not angled like others, but for this price quality, for this price of 850, it gives really decent sounds, but does not give much bass, as said in its name, Bassheads. So next we have accessories for this. We are given, actually they are giving 6 sets of earbuds, but actually one is of blue color and the other is of black color. 3 sets of medium, one is medium, one is large and one is small. We have those in black and blue. And we also get the ear hooks or whatever they are saying, and also an old slide clip. So let us next see the quality of the carrying case. The carrying case is really good, feels lightweight, and we can also carry other things in it as well, like pen drives, micro SD cards, etc. Feels good in hand. It's also small. It has a different compartment. It's very good.
Zip code.
Next, we also get a 1-year warranty card with the earphones, which I don't know how to use, but might be useful. So guys, this was the unboxing of both Bassheads 228 earphones. The detailed review of the earphones and the link of the earphones will be given in the description below. There might be some external noises because we took this video outdoors, so please don't mind that. And we will be back again with another unboxing of these Bluetooth earphones in the next video. Please like the like button and share this video with your friends and comment down below if you want. Hope you guys like this video. We will be back again with another video. Until then, bye-bye.
Bye.
This was the unboxing of both Bassheads 228. Guys, hope you like this video. This was the unboxing of Bose Bit. So guys, this was the unboxing of both Bassheads 228. The link of the product will be given in the description below. So guys, this was the unboxing of both Bassheads 228. The detailed review and the product of the link